Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by powering off the iPad and removing any SIM or cover. This prevents short circuits. Layout tools, suction cup, picks, small drivers, and an ESD mat so you control static. Once done, heat the screen edge briefly to soften adhesive. You want the glass to separate without cracking. Use a suction cup and a pick to create a gap, then slide plastic picks around. This exposes the display assembly while preserving internal cables, so you can see what's connected before lifting. You now lift the display to roughly 30 degrees, don't hinge it back flat, and remove the metal bracket screws that secure the display connectors. Disconnect the battery first to reduce risk, then carefully unplug the display and digitizer cables using a plastic tool. This isolates touch and image circuits. Once disconnected, inspect flex cables, connector pins, and the backlight strip for corrosion or kinks. If a cable is torn or a connector bent, replace the part. If the logic board looks scorched, stop and reassess. You fit the replacement screen by reconnecting the display and digitizer cables in the reverse sequence, then reconnect the battery last so you avoid accidental shorts. Reseat adhesive using pre-cut strips or gentle heat to reactivate existing adhesive. Make sure edges align evenly. Once reassembled, power on and run a quick test of touch, display uniformity, cameras, and charging. If the screen flickers or touch is unresponsive, try reconnecting cables and cleaning contacts. If problems persist, a faulty replacement or logic issue is likely and professional repair is recommended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.